How to use Clio Grow Legal CRM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most law firms assume that just signing up for Clio Grow will instantly streamline client intake, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that slow workflows, create missed follow-ups, or lose potential clients. The first mistake is neglecting to set up custom intake forms. Clio Grow allows you to tailor forms to capture exactly the information you need, but beginners who rely on default forms may miss critical client details, leading to incomplete records or delays. Another common error is not automating follow-ups. Clio Grow has built-in workflows for nurturing leads, sending reminders, and assigning tasks. Beginners who ignore automation often manually track tasks, which can result in missed deadlines or forgotten emails. Many users also fail to integrate with their calendar or email system. Without proper integration, appointment scheduling can become confusing and communication tracking may be inconsistent. Beginners should link Clio Grow with their preferred email and calendar tools to maintain efficiency. Ignoring pipeline management is another pitfall. Clio Grow visualizes leads, consultations, and cases in a pipeline, but beginners who don't regularly review the dashboard may lose track of client progress or fail to follow up on dormant leads. Finally, some firms skip training or onboarding. Clio Grow is powerful, but its features are only effective if the team understands how to use them. Beginners who skip training may underutilize the system and see little return on investment. To use Clio Grow properly, create custom intake forms, automate workflows, integrate email and calendar systems, monitor your pipeline, and train your team thoroughly. Avoid these mistakes and your firm will see faster client intake, better follow-ups, and more organized case management.